Hello gorgeous people, how are you doing? So today's tutorial I'm going to be giving you my own twist on how you can whiten your already white teeth. So just in case you just want to make your white teeth whiter, I got you. And we're going to be using bananas today. Yeah, your definite banana, your good old banana, the banana that you like and you enjoy and you eat so much. But let's just watch and see what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be using the banana itself. I'm going to be using the peel. Yeah, the banana peel is so good to whiten your teeth, and that goes off. Not really, I'm going to eat that later. Okay, so it's really the peel you need. I washed the banana properly because of course you don't want germs, and it's the peel we are using, as I said, and I'm just going to be scraping the insides, which is what we're going to be using. It contains a lot of potassium, a lot of whitening, natural whitening elements that are very good for whitening your teeth, definitely. So just like grab a banana and take as much as you can get from the banana peel. When you think you've achieved your desire, you can just stop. So I'm just like trying to scrape all through this one piece of banana. You know, the thing is, banana kind of like changes color like soon, or like as soon as you start using it. So I don't advise you like taking a bunch of banana, cutting it open and peeling it as such or something. Even if you make like just leave banana on its own, it starts changing color. If you leave it in the fridge, it will change color. So just take the quantity you want per time for this kind of like procedure or process. Unfortunately, you can't do too much at a time. I'll advise you to just do the quantity you want. So I've got my other elements here. Baking soda, you can use this sparingly. If you have sensitive teeth, please don't use too much of this, or don't use it at all though, but you can use a bit of this because even the elements the dentists use can be quite abrasive, so they actually advise you not to use it too often. Then of course your paste. I'm using Colgate here, guys. I'm not a Colgate ambassador, so use any toothpaste of your choice. I just prefer Colgate and I like white based toothpaste usually, so that's just it. You can use any toothpaste of your choice. So just mix all this together till you get one homogeneous paste, till when it comes all together like a paste. And this is what you're going to be using on your teeth. So it might take some time for you to mix this properly because of course the banana peel, the paste, the baking soda are all different elements and you're trying to like marry them all together. So it will take some time for you to put all that together. Taking some time does not mean taking 1 hour. Definitely, it just takes like 2 minutes to mix all this together. Really, I just like when it's all mixed together, not that the baking soda is separate or the peel is separate or the paste is separate. I just like everything to be fused together as one. That's it. So basically that's just the end. So you have your paste and you're ready to go. So use this to brush your teeth often. I advise you brush morning and evening to get your perfect white teeth. You have to do this continuously. You can't just do it once and you stop. Brush your teeth as frequently as possible. If you think you have sensitive teeth, like I said earlier on, easy on this. Don't use too much of this. Even when you go to the dentist to whiten your teeth, they ask you if you have sensitive teeth so that it doesn't shock or your teeth does not become too sensitive to it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Join me in other videos like this and I will see you subsequently. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.